Welcome to Step by Step TV. Step 1. Performance Adjustment. Right-click on this PC icon. Then go to Properties. In New Window, go to Advanced System Settings. Now click on the Settings button under Performance. In next pop-up box, select Adjust for Best Performance. After selecting this, all animations will be disabled. After changing the settings, click OK. Step 2. Disk Cleanup. Right-click on C drive. Go to Properties. Click on Disk Cleanup option. Some processing will take place. Wait until it completes. Once completed, new pop-up box appears. Here select all the options and click OK. Then click on Delete Files. Wait until it completes. Don't worry, these are temporary files. Click OK. Step 3. Selective Startup option. Type msconfig in Windows search box. Then click on System Configuration. A pop-up box appears. Here, choose Selective Startup option. Step 4. Boot option settings. Go to Boot tab. Change the timeout value to 3 or 5. Now, click on Advanced option. Here, check the Number of Processors option. Then select the processor value to 4. Now, check Maximum Memory checkbox. Here, the value will automatically be populated. If not, then select the maximum possible value. Step 5. Reduce unwanted startup programs. Go to Startup tab. Here click Open Task Manager. It will show list of programs. Here, you can decide which programs you want to run during startup. Here in my case, I don't want Canon application to run, so I shall select it and click on Disable button. I don't want Google Drive in startup, so let's disable it also. Similarly, Ivona Reader and Skype. Once done, close the window. Click OK. System will ask you to restart the computer. You can either restart it now or later, but I recommend you should restart immediately. Thank you for watching. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.